guys, it's Grace here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to notify you on my future videos. In today's video, we'll be recreating this look. This look is inspired by Wonder Woman, her warrior outfit and makeup. If you want to know how I recreate this look, then keep on watching. I will start with the NYX Honey Dew Me Up. For primer, I'm going to use the NYX No Filter Sans Base Blurring Primer. For foundation, I'm going to mix the Lancome Tint Idio Ultra Wear. This is number 5. And an illuminator, lightweight illuminator from Kicks. Then I'm going to use the Wonder Sticks contour from NYX. Powder, I'm going to use the Light Plus Studio Fix Perfecting Powder from Mekka. And I'm going to use the Revlon bronzer. For my brows, I'm going to use the Perfect Brow Promade from Mekka Makeup. shadows, I'm going to use the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. First, I'm going to take the peaches and cream, this one. Then I'm going to take the Luxus. And then I'm going to take the Caramelize. And then I'm going to take the Summer Jam. Then I'm going to use my Hypnotic Metallic Highlighter Palette. And from the Too Faced Sweet Peach Palette again, I'm going to take the darkest one. I think this one. For liner, I'm going to use the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil. This is number 2, the chocolate, hot chocolate. For the mascara, I'm going to use the Maybeline Sensational Mascara. For blush, I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Sweet Cheeks Blush Palette. For my lips, I'm going to use the Sheer lipstick from Mekka. And for the liner, I'm going to use the NYX Matte Lip Liner. So guys, this is the finished look. It is easy to recreate actually. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye!